Want to know how to enable or disable DirectX usage in Paladins? So in your computer or your PC, you should have DirectX installed by default before opening up Paladins. So there are ways you can just disable DirectX, specifically DirectX 11. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So you can enable other versions as well. So let's get straight to it. First things first, simply open up Paladins, and once you have opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you are opened in this interface, on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options, and on the top right side you should be seeing settings right here with the gear icon. Clicking this and press it. Now once you're under settings, here you should be seeing use D3D11, and you should be under video. Make sure you're under video as well. So you can just simply select disable if you want to disable it, and enable if you want to enable it, and then select apply. Once that is on, you need to restart your game once and the changes should take place. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.